So how can you turn the red light on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so a few ways how you can view this. First of all, some people refer to the night shift mode as, with this like red orange light. So you can find it in the control center. Holding down on the brightness, we have the night shift, which will filter out the blue light, which will make the screen look more yellowish or warmer, perhaps even red, right? So that might be one thing that you have in mind. On the other hand, you also have some color filters accessible and available on the iPhone. You can find those in the accessibility section. Then by going to the display and a text size, and color filters are literally right there. So you can enable it, and if you go to the color tint and adjust the hue all the way to the left, your screen will look really just with this red overlay. So if that's what you're going after, you can enable it and turn it on like this. You can also adjust the intensity by sliding it all the way to the right, which makes it very red if you ask me. So if you want to do this, obviously there is the option to do so, and that's where you can find it. So let me know if that's the thing that you are going after. If not, if you had something else in mind, then you can let me know about that as well, and I'll likely make an updated video about it. So stay tuned for more by subscribing so you'll never miss anything important, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.